Hey everyone, it's been a while, but we're back. We are doing Greek night for our youngest daughter's birthday and our oldest granddaughter's birthday. So we've marinated up some chicken and some Candiver's Greek seasoning. We did that overnight and Kelly's skewering those up. Of course, we gotta have some calamari. We got some lamb chops, also marinating in the same seasoning overnight. They look really delicious. Then we got tons of pita and bread, some za'atar, beautiful. Now we're just gonna take those lamb chops in our nice large pan here that have been marinating in the same Cavender's Greek seasoning overnight. And we're just gonna pour that juice right over top of it. There we go, beautiful. Then we got some wheat germ salad, tabbouleh. We'll show you guys all of the salads. Of course, we didn't make them, we bought them. So this was the request. And we're gonna throw a little bit of octopus in there too, that's just marinated in a nice rub. All right guys, we are getting ready. And we have the Weber kettle ready to go for the lamb chops, the octopus, and the chicken. And we've got the Bayou deep fryer cranking up for the calamari. All right, we have got, you'll have to excuse the noise. This Bayou makes a lot of noise. But we've got our charcoal cranking up out here. And we've got our chicken, octopus, and lamb chops ready to go. And the calamari, I just got some Zatarain's fish fry. And we're just gonna throw that in here. And we're gonna shake it upside down with all that breading under there. Then we're gonna start cooking the calamari as an appetizer. Let's see, just go upside down. We got a nice little breaded calamari and we're gonna be ready to go. Of course, the smoke from the kettle will have to blow right over the fire because that's luck. As you can see, our calamari's get nicely done. Nicely done. All right, we're gonna dump these babies in here. Next round. Got a nice coating on there with that Zatarain's. Let the oil get up to about, usually around 360, 370, because when you drop this, it's gonna take that oil down a few degrees, so you're good to go. Oh my goodness, the noise has gone away. So guys, here's the calamari. It's looking fantastic. We're going to throw a little salt on that. But here's the finished product. And I'm sure that it'll be gone very quickly. So again, about 1 to 3 minutes at like 350, 360 in the deep fryer. We use our little shaker with some Zatarain's fish fry. And the kids will devour this. Hopefully we can find it fresh more this summer instead of doing the frozen. But the frozen's pretty good too.
Oh, that looks amazing. Thank you.
All right, guys, the birthday celebrations have begun. We've got some nice bread, Mediterranean, Middle Eastern bread, dolmas. We've got some lentil salad, avocado salad, pasta salad, cocktail sauce, olives, tabbouleh, lentil salad, Babaghanouj, fresh mozzarella, and of course the calamari. So that will be gone soon. Alright, I think we're ready for the meat. Alright, the kettle's up to about 500 degrees. I took the lamb and octopus and I moved that into a pan with a tray. So we can get a little bit of that olive oil off, like we're doing with the chicken. looking good. It's looking good. All right, these been in a couple minutes. I'm gonna check them out. Of course, this side of the grill is really hot. Oh yeah, look at that coloring. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's what we want to see, that beautiful brown grill marks. Yum. Alright, time for a kebab check. Definitely change of plan. Gonna let the chicken finish on the kettle grill, and we're gonna do those lamb chops and the octopus on the gas grill. We got our lamb chops and our octopus on the gas grill. This gas grill is a beast, so I don't think we have to worry. This thing will get way, way up there. It's 5 burners, so it'll crank it up. Oh yeah, it's starting to light up a little bit now. I think we're going to do a turn here. It's delicious looking. Beautiful. And then I'll start to temp these up a little bit. Octopus already cooked, so you're good to go there. 135, 136, it's about right. We're getting there. We're going to pull these off in about 10 minutes. The octopus we could pull off at any time. In fact, I think I'm going to take them and we're going to stick them over on the cool spot. Alright, we got our lamb and our octopus off. We're going to get our chicken off. We're going to get some foil in there, and we're going to get it inside where it's warmer. Alright, we've got our finished product. We got lamb chops. We've got octopus. Chicken kebabs. Steaming up my lens. We're going to dig into this very shortly. And we've got pitas, tzatziki. We've got all the salads. And calamari. Wait, you don't want to be in the picture? Huh? Huh? You want to be in the picture? Huh? Don't want to be in the picture? And we got people who are hungry and ready to eat. Alright, come and get it.
Is the octopus done yet?
Yeah, I gotta cut it up though. Gotta cut it up. Hey, you little girl.
You're
growling.
giving me the biggest piece of the octopus.